Morning, Cheryl's Adventures and Sluts here on day 5 for my Las Vegas trip. And I'm at the Nugget, and it's morning, and I'm going to head out. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. Definitely pool time today. I'm going to show you the Nuggets pool. It's really nice. And here's my view from my room during the day with a whole bunch of people in it. And I'm heading out of the Nugget to downtown Fremont, see what's going on. Okay, the minute you get out of the Golden Nugget here, you have this huge group of people. And I don't know what they're doing. Oh, he's going to jump over him or something?
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Squeeze your cheeks. Squeeze your cheeks. Yeah! Make some noise!
All right, downtown Fremont Street, here we are. I'm going to walk over to Circa, and it is really nice not having a mask mandate, but you know, I hope I don't get sick either at the same time. Hopefully everyone's vaccinated and we get rid of that horrible thing. Yeah, my dad actually had COVID and he's 83. It was really bad. He was in the hospital for 9 days, so he did survive it though. It took a lot out of him. All right, so yay, here is Circa. And Derek Stevens, who owns the D, him and his rich buddies got all together and built this year before COVID. Brand new casino, the first casino in downtown Las Vegas to be built in like 50 years. It's a long time. And this used to be a little corner kind of dive casino I used to enjoy with the old school coin slots that would drop out. So it was fun. So yeah, Circa's 21 older. You do need your ID or they won't let you in. So I'm going in. I'll see you in a few. All right, there's the Mega Bar. The D is known for the long bar. They have a sports announcer there, like weekly, you know, giving the stuff. It's very slow in here today. It's Thursday, so it's only noon. It's gorgeous, you know, the sports bar. I'll show you in a minute. It's a brand new casino. It's absolutely amazing, and the pool's amazing that's up on the upper floor. So, see you in a minute. So this is the Stadium Sports Bar. It is incredible, as you can see, and there's a ton of seating, and then right up above is the second floor. There's Vegas Vicky. So Stadium Swim is $20 if not staying here at the hotel. It's open to everyone. If you're staying here at the hotel, it's free. And then the restaurants up here are Saginaw's. It's like a deli. It's right over here. And then they got Victory Burger over in the corner over there, which I've had. It's very, very good. It's very expensive, but you can use your points. So if you do gamble here, you're going to get a free burger, you know, every once in a while. So, yeah, this casino is not cheap to build, that is for sure. It's huge. Yeah, here's Saginaw's. It's like a deli. All right, these new Planet Moolah are really fun. There's 3 connected. Hey, $68.86 for that. Progressive for the bottom is good. Why not? We're at Circa. Put 20 bucks in, 75 cents a bet. See if we can hit something here. Come on, Planet Moolah.
Move.
There we go. There we go.
Move.
Ooh. Come on, cows. Oh, hey. I'm up a buck. I should quit while in my head.
Move.
Yes, please. Oh, not lined up.
Move. Move.
Ooh, we got a cow, but not lined up. Oh, it's at least hitting. Nice. Cows! Oh my gosh, you guys. Keep it going. Oh.
Invaders attack from the planet Moolah!
What's happening? Oh, we're going right here. Blast! We got our house back. Stop! for the...
We want our cow back!
Pretty good. All right, let's do it. We only have 7 spins, but you never know. Come on, Wild. Bummer. Yeah, we need the ball. The guy with the lawn chair, Grandpa with the lawn chair is the best, I think. Nice. Ooh, cars. That's good. Great trigger. Oh, come on, guys. Yes, re-trigger. Oh, re-triggering. Yay, for up 12 bucks. All right, Lucky Machine. I've been running really hot this trip. Here we go. Bam. Oh.
Get over here.
Hey, Grandpa. Yeah, he's the best one. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on, cows, line up. Wow! Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, that's huge. I doubled my $20. You gotta be kidding. Wow. Yes. That's huge. That's $7.50, $1.50. Oh my gosh, you guys. Re-trigger? Oh. That was so close. You guys, I got 6 more spins. We can triple. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been running really good this trip. Two hand pays already this trip. Can't beat it, man. I'm having a really good time. This bonus is a blast. Come on, 3 more spins. We can do it. Oh, yay. Yeehaw! Yeehaw, cows! Gonna get something here? Yes, we are. That's huge. We tripled. Oh, that's bent. Hey, 3 cows on the last spin. You never know. Oh, we got something. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm at Circa and I just won $43 and I have my original 20. Yeah. Amazing. Oh, that was so fun. Oh my gosh. Well, we got to do a backup spin for luck. And one more backup spin. All right. Well, one more because I know $62. I started with 20. Oh! Started with 20. I'm cashing out $62.05, and thank you so much, Planet. Well, that was so much fun. All right, we're putting our money we won at Circa in the machine, and it will be spitting out shortly. And here it comes. Thank you, Planet Moolah, for the $42.05 profit. That bonus was amazing. Here we go. Woohoo! I wonder if I can. There we go. Woohoo! And the 5 cents isn't dispersing, so we're just gonna leave it here and donate it to whoever's next. All right, thanks, guys. Wow, I've never seen a slot machine like this, but as I'm leaving Circa here, this is a slot machine like, oh my gosh, like it's like a slot machine, big circle, like a half circle. Oh my gosh. It's the new movie Dune that's coming out. And of course they have a slot machine with it. How convenient. So if anyone wants to check out Red Rock Hula on YouTube, here he is. He's 60 years old. He's danced hula for 16 years. He loves hula. All right, right across from the Golden Nugget is a little cafe called Binion's Cafe, and Binion's Hotel Casino. Hash browns were $3.40. English muffin $2.95, and this carrot cake was $5.50, and you can't beat it. Those hash browns are huge. Yummy! It's pool time at the Golden Nugget, and the Shark Tank is right there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm gonna try to get better. And then there's the Shark Tank slide where you can slide right through the Shark Tank, and it's free if you're staying here.
Whatever makes you feel good.
Alright, here's the Shark Tank. Kind of see there's a slide that goes right through it. And I don't see a shark yet, but you will. There's a couple of them in there. Alright, let's go over here. This is the view here from the pool. And then if you go alongside here, this is another section. It's a big circle. There we go. Now we can see. There's the fish. And there's a nice big shark right there. With the backlight, but you get a good idea. There's a whole bunch of other fish in there too. There's another one coming here. he's a big one. Oh, and there's another creature. He's like a Plecostomus or something. I think that's it. Here's the pool with the Nugget. Wow, the March Madness. Wisconsin, yay! The Midwest and the West, and they've got all the, wow, really cool. People down here already. Only Thursday, so yeah, the weekends get probably pretty busy. There's green flamingo girls over there. And here's Derek's truck in the D. Alright, I'm back at the D, and look at that dollar storm. Just in 3 days. It was $142 3 days ago. Now it's $157. Oh, and I couldn't help myself. So I put 100 in, and I got a bonus. And I got a really good bonus, and actually I apologize for the glare, but I put 100 in, I'm only in it for $10, so nice bonus here. 2 cents a nom. I'm betting $2 a pull, so let's see if we can get it. Yeah, so everything is double, so that's 30, that's 30, that's 20, and the mini's 20. The mini's 20, so yeah, I think we got almost $100 right here. We need a couple more. Ooh, another mini! Ooh, this is a really good one. Here we go. Okay. Okay, we need a couple more here. Last, hopefully, come on, coin, drop. Oh, okay, hey, this is a great bonus. Especially I'm only in it for $10. That's 20, $6. This is 30, another 30, and a 10. Yeah, because it's double. I'm on 2 cents an ounce. Wow, $140. I'm up 130 here at the D for the day. I just started. I just got here. Oh, yay. Should I keep playing? Is this a hot machine or what? Oh, sure. Let's play it a little bit more here. Yeah, maybe it's going to hit. Oh, it's hitting. One more. Oh. Okay. I'm up $123. Wow. I think it's done. That's super grand chance, huh? now that major would be nice, huh? That's a maxed out major. We'll play down to 200. Got 5 more spins. Three more for a mother bonus. Okay, last spin. Hey, doubled. Thank you, Dollar Store. Wouldn't that be nice to hit that, huh? Okay, guys, I'm at the D, and I just second spin bonus, and I have. Oh, okay, the Oompa Loompa feature. Okay, what I did, I don't know what this means, but I hit all the way. I want to just play a couple spins like this. I hit this all the way up at 525 a spin. Like my second spin. All right, Oompa Loompas. Wow. Keep it going, guys. Yay. Okay, so what are we gonna get here? Do I just get 1 spin? This is just a 1 bonus here? Or do I get 10 spins? Stop! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! You guys, it goes all the way up almost to the... Oh my god! Look at this! Congratulations! You guys! Oh my god! You guys! Oh, Sheila! $67. Now what happens? Is this it? Just $267 on a $5 bet? I don't know what that 5 times means. Okay, so what happens now? That's it?
This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, so I guess 7 times, I don't know if it means anything. We just hit a great bonus. Wow. Okay, so I guess that doesn't mean anything. I should have won 7 times it. I don't know what that means. Credits times 7? I guess not. So I guess I don't know what that means. So we're gonna go back down to reality here a little and go to $1.50 a pull. Of course, it's hitting like crazy. I started with 100 in here. Wow. Wow. Oh, I thought that'd be more, like 525 times 7. That'd be like a $35 pull. I don't know what that means. I guess it doesn't mean anything. We'll see if anyone else on YouTube has hit that, but W. Okay, 1 more spin and I'm moving on. Wow, what a great win. I'm up $336.95. Hey, thank you, Dreamers of Dream Wonka. Alright, let's see if we can hit Munchkin Land. Either I do good or I bomb. So let's do 225.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me...
We're up $321 for the day. Let's try a little Lucia Kitty here. I need a $dollar spin. I played this at the Ameristar in Kansas City, Missouri. Did okay. We'll see how we do here. Just went by. Naughty kitty. Is that $40 ours? I guess not. What's up with that? Playing down to 400 and then I'm done for the day. Wow, what a great day again. $300 profit for today. That's awesome on top of everything else. All right, Lucia Kitty, last spin. Oh, a little, yeah. Okay, bye, Lucia Kitty. Thanks for viewing, guys. This was a great day 5. Of course, I kept playing 3 more spins, and now we got a bonus. The Lucia Kitty bonus. The Lucia Kitty comes out. Stop. All right, 10 free spins. What do we got here? Nothing. That's what's going on here, so. Come on, Lucia Kitty. Lucia Kitty. So far, how much? Actually, it's $1.20, and I don't know. Well, all these are gonna be something, I hope. Points, points. It's only gonna be 60 cents, all of them. That's not very much. $12 only. Now we start over with only 2 free spins. This was a terrible bonus. Yeah, but at least I got my base 400 back. Well, if we get a whole bunch of coins, it would help. Points! Okay, we got one more free game. Yeah, that's it for that bonus. Okay, now I am finally done. Okay, so we're up 310.25 for the day. Hey guys, got a first spin bonus on Heidi. Here we go. Yay, come on Heidi. $2 a spin, penny to none. Because I'm in the bonus. I got 13 free spins, and I knew I was going to hit $4 just for the first couple. But I decided I'll just do $2 a spin and hit right away. Nice. 10 more spins. Come on, Heidi. Wow. Oh, that's good. Oh, maybe not as good. Heidi must not be wild. Now that is probably very good. Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. I have 8 more spins. Wow, guys. I am running so good this trip. Yay. Okay, so the Heidi's on the bonus are not, they're not anything. I think if they line up, they are, but. Ooh, retrigger? Okay, no. Oh, this is a great bonus on a $2 bet. I got 4 more spins. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Keep it going, Heidi. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh my gosh, you guys, another 89. 4 more spins. Get those beers. Grab those beers. Yay, Hans, you're a guy. $112, 3 more spins. This is awesome. Come on Thursdays to the D and win money. I don't know. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, those 3 beers are wild. So yeah, I got, okay, one more spin. Grab my last spin here, yeah. Last spin. Load them up. Not bad. On a $2 bet. first spin bonus, another 125.75. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How awesome. And it would have been $4, it would have been double, but no, one backup spin. Wow, I'm up. Started with 100, 430, 485. Wow. Thank you, Heidi. Big hugs and kisses. Mwah, mwah. Yeah, I'm still playing at the D. This is crazy. So I hit a $24 line hit. I'm only betting 88 cents a bet. You know, I always go 3. 3 is my lucky number. Yay! Okay, not much. Food dogs? No, we needed a something. Oh, the pot closed. Okay. I don't think I get anything on the line hit, but the pot closed. So we're just gonna swipe because this is all predetermined. Yeah, I was watching some guys on YouTube. They actually work for these companies with these games, and they said when you pick, it's predetermined. Hey, $28 bonus on a 88-cent bet. I'll take that. I'll take. I'm just having a really lucky day. Again, which is awesome. All right, I'm gonna move to machines, see what else we got here today. Well, guys, this is gonna wrap up my day 5 here in Las Vegas. Tomorrow's day 6. Hope you're enjoying my videos. Please hit that subscribe button bell so you didn't miss this is going to wrap up my day 5 in Las Vegas. I'm at the D. Made another $300 profit today in about 15 minutes. Having a really good time, of course. You're winning. It's a lot more fun when you're losing. So, really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I hope they're fun and entertaining. There's been a couple things on this trip that never happened to me before. It's really funny. So, stick around and thanks. Have a lucky day. We'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye now.